spoiled chickens lay bigger eggs. I never thought I'd be saying this, but we had a custom sign made for the chicken coop. And it's here. Am I a little obsessed at this point? Probably. Do I care? Absolutely not. So let's see what tailor-made rooms and home decor made from a ladies. If you haven't seen their signs before, they are gorgeous. You can customize them any way that you want to, and I have seen signs so big by them that they fit on the side of a barn. They have porch signs, pool signs, just about any sign you can think of. Any guesses on what I named the chicken coop? You'll never get it. I am so stinking excited. I also love supporting small businesses, and this is one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. Perfect. We're going to the coop right now. If you're wondering where Erlene came from, Elaine is my middle name after my mom's best friend and my grandmother. But many moons ago, my husband realized I had a little redneck in me and started calling me Erlene. It's my alter ego, and Erlene does not play, especially when it comes to chickens. So I proudly present to you, Erlene's Egg Shack. Erlene, 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 Erlene. I just have it propped up there right now. I need to get the ladder out and get it hung up properly, but look at how nice that is. The quality of this sign is amazing. It's waterproof, weather resistant. I don't have to worry about it falling apart out here. And it's beautiful. Tailor-made signs, thank you so much. This surpasses what I ever anticipated. It is absolutely perfect. I will be sure to link them down below. You guys go give them a follow. Check out their signs. They make some amazing, amazing things. And let's give them some support because it is well deserved. Ladies, the shack has a name.